All right, listen closely. I've been in finance for over a decade, traded equities, derivatives, managed risk through recessions, hype cycles, and everything in between. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's this. You don't ignore a financial shift when it's rewriting the rules. And right now, that shift is crypto. Now I get it. A lot of people hear crypto and think volatile, risky, maybe even a scam. That's because they're looking at the surface, price swings. But serious investors, we don't just look at price. We look at infrastructure. We look at adoption. We look at where capital is flowing. And let me tell you something, capital is moving. Institutional money, the same players that once laughed at crypto are now allocating billions into it. Why? Because crypto isn't just about coins. It's about ownership. It's about decentralization. It's about removing middlemen. Think about it like this. The internet changed how we share information. Crypto is changing how we transfer value. That's not a trend. That's a fundamental shift. Now, does that mean you throw your life savings into it? Absolutely not. That's not how real investors operate. We manage risk. We diversify. We enter strategically. But ignoring crypto completely, that's like ignoring tech stocks in the early 2000s. You don't have to believe in every project. You don't have to chase hype, but you should understand the space and have exposure to it. Because here's the truth most people won't tell you. We're still early. Regulation is evolving. Adoption is increasing. Real-world use cases are expanding, from finance to supply chains to digital identity. And as that ecosystem matures, value follows. Now let me be clear, crypto will have pullbacks. It will test your patience. But volatility isn't the enemy. Lack of understanding is. So if you're serious about building wealth in today's market, don't just follow what's comfortable. Position yourself where the future is being built. Study it. Respect the risk. Start small if you have to. But don't sit on the sidelines while a new financial system is forming. Because years from now, the question won't be, was crypto risky? It'll be, why didn't I take it seriously when I had the chance?